Hey kids, I'll do a quick little video here how I hope it's quick anyway. How I set up my table saw to rip down. I want to make some 1/2-inch pieces, and I got this maple, and it's 3 7/8. So I'm going to cut about half of that and then flip it over. So I'm loosening my knob down here. Run this down to about 1 inch 3/4. That'll work. And I'm going to set the fence at 5/8. I want the pieces to be 1/2 inch, but I'm going to set this at 5/8. And then I'll run what pieces I have left through the planer. So that's dead on 5/8 right there. And that's basically how quick it is to set up. So we'll try to run a piece through here and I'll get right back. So I got the first piece through here, as you can see. I'm going to flip it over, run it through this way. So that's how it come out. A little burn, I need a new blade or get that one sharpened or something. But I'm going to run that through the planer because this side's good and flat here. So I run this through the planer, get my desired thickness, and then I'll have my one of my boards I need. So it's a quick, easy way to resaw on the table saw. Like I said, just run it through, and then when you run it through, flip it over, run it through again, and just keep your fingers out of the way and make sure you got a good push block to do it with. Do the planer. That was the side that I did not cut. And there's the side I just planed that you seen come through the saw. So you can tell the difference. I've got it pretty much the thickness where I want it. They're both the same. So we move on. Thanks everybody.